Israeli government buildings, street protests, Gaza conflict footage, and headlines heading leaked Gaza report and government in turmoil. Israel is facing one of its most intense political crises in recent history after a classified intelligence report on Gaza war was leaked to the public. Leaked IDF report July 2025. The report delivered a snatching critique of Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's handling of Israel's months-long war in Gaza, citing major strategic failures, poor coordination between military and political leadership, and a growing humanitarian disaster with no clear endemic. Inside the report, indicted page, military briefings, and satellite images of Gaza. According to the leaked document, which came from Israeli Defense Forces internal review, and the initial invasion lacked clear objection, and Israel's prolonged ground operation has strained military resources, escalated international backlash, and fled to neutralize Hamas leadership. There is no political horizon. The military says we are stuck in a quagmire. The report also highlights deep disagreements between the IDF and Netanyahu's cabinet, particularly over targeting decisions, civilian casualties, and the lack of a viable post-war plan for Gaza. Political fallout begins, protests in Tel Aviv, opposition members speaking in Senate. The leak has triggered mass protests across the Israel, with tens of thousands flooding the streets in Tel Aviv, Jerusalem, and Haifa. Demonstrators are calling for Netanyahu's resignation and immediate election. He lied to the people. He failed our soldiers. The fallout is already hitting Netanyahu's fragile coalition. Defense Minister Yoav Gallant resigned in protest, followed by the National Unity Party pulling its support, pushing the government to the brink of collapse. 61 required Netanyahu's coalition, 59 after exist. With the coalition now falling below the majority threshold in the Senate, and possibility of the snap election is growing by the day. Netanyahu under fire. Speaking to press, dodging questions, walking briskly. Speaking to press, dodging questions, and walking briskly. These claims are politically motivated and dangerous. Israel is at war. This is not the time for division. Netanyahu has dismissed the report as incomplete and taken out of context, changing it was leaked by opponents seeking to undermine his leadership during wartime. Media posts, growing online backlash with hashtag. But public trust in enduring fast. Recent polls show Netanyahu's approval rating plummeting to under 30%, with even some right-wing voters expressing fatigue and frustration. What's happened next? Senate members, emergency cabinet meetings, army checkpoints. The Israeli government now faces a moment of reckoning, with the war still ongoing and no ceasefire in sight. The political system is paralyzed and unsure whether to continue under Netanyahu or risk instability with early election. Potential Senate vote of number confidence election window September-October. Opposition leaders are like Yair Lapid and Benny Gantz are calling for a full investigation and an immediate shift to in leadership. Israel is experiencing a wartime leadership vacuum, and it could not come at a worse time. Israel's war, Israel's reckoning. As the conflict in Gaza drags on, the battle inside Israel may prove just a defining, not just for Netanyahu but for the future of Israeli democracy. Stay tuned for more updates on the Middle East, global politics, and breaking news. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.